The Canon Error Code P08 indicates a problem with the ink cartridges in a Canon printer. This error code can be caused by several factors, including the ink cartridge lifespan, high temperatures, incorrectly filling the cartridge, or a dried-out cartridge. To fix the P08 error, it is essential to ensure that the ink cartridges are not past their expiry date before installing them, as this guarantees they will not fail within the warranty period. Additionally, placing the printer in a well-ventilated location with good airflow helps to cool the device and prevent overheating. Correctly filling the cartridges is also crucial, and using counterfeit ink should be avoided as it can dry out the cartridges and lead to failure. If the cartridges have dried out, they can be restored by wearing protective gloves, removing them from their docks, gently wiping them with a damp paper towel, and then drying off any excess moisture before replacing them in the printer. By following these steps, the P08 error can be resolved, and the printer can function properly again.